Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like slider button animation on CapCut PC. So you can create your custom, I guess, button. It's going to look kind of like this, but we're just gonna do it our way. Anyways, I'm gonna put the background as white, go to mask, and then select let me just make this a little bit shorter, rectangle one, and create this shape, somewhat like that. And for the circle, I'm actually just going to use this image. You can use an image, you can use a sticker, but I'm just going to use this image right here. Then I'm going to add in a text. You can type in anything you want. I'm just going to type in happy because that's all I got on the top of my head right now. Like that. And then I'm just gonna do the other one later. So copy and paste it. I'm just going to put it to the side. Then I'm going to grab that circle and I'm going to go to basic. I'm going to add a keyframe here. And at the end, I am going to place it at the end like here. Then you're going to want to rotate that a couple of times, not a lot though, so it looks like it's rolling. Okay. Then you're going to select the text, right click, create compound clip, and then you're going to go to mask and you're going to select horizontal. And I'm just going to start like here, I guess, the keyframe. And then when it hits like the end, I'm going to move the keyframe like here. Like the mask, sorry. Oops, I don't know why I had to press Windows. So it looks like that. And then for the text on top, just gonna add that here, and I'm just going to extend this actually. Wait, what did I press? Oh, right, I forgot. Okay. I did it correctly. It's just I forgot I added a text on top, which is this one. I'm just going to type in sad. And I'm also going to right click, create compound clip that. Maybe just extend it a little bit further. Go to mask, select the horizontal one, and I'm going to place it like this. Actually, let's place it like the other way here. Then I'm going to add a keyframe at the beginning. And like right about here, I'm going to drag it there. And I'm going to place it underneath the color wheel thing. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!